Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook old recipes. First, choose a recipe that truly excites you, perhaps a classic dessert or a hearty main course. Understanding the historical context of the dish, like why it was created or what ingredients were available, is crucial. Before you even think about mixing, make sure you have all your tools ready, whether they are antique pieces or their modern counterparts. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable, setting you up for culinary success. Next, let's talk about ingredients. Many old recipes call for items that are either hard to find today or have evolved over centuries. For example, a recipe might mention a pinch of saffron, which was once more common. If an ingredient is truly unavailable, research the best modern substitute. Often, a specialty grocer or a local farmer's market can be a treasure trove for unique components, helping you get as close as possible to the original flavor profile. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. Now, let's tackle those tricky old measurements. You might encounter terms like a gill of wine or a dram of spice. A gill is about 1/4 of a pint, and a dram is roughly 1/8 of an ounce. Oven temperatures were often described as moderate or quick, so you'll need to estimate, perhaps starting at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, the order of operations might not be as clear as in modern recipes, so read through the entire process carefully before you begin mixing anything. Finally, it's time to enjoy your historical creation. Feel free to make small adjustments to suit modern tastes, perhaps a little less sugar or a touch more salt. Remember, these recipes were often designed for different palates. Be sure to document your journey, noting any changes you made and how they impacted the final dish. Sharing these unique culinary experiences, along with the fascinating stories behind them, is truly rewarding. Happy cooking, and enjoy a taste of the past.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.